YouTube, this is Winnie TV Figs. Today we went on a boat ride, and you can see the boat ride from over there in the lake there. We went on a boat trip. We're going to enjoy the video. Subscribe to the main channel, Winnie Billy Fig channel. Have the channel link in the description bar below, and the channel link in the description bar below. Winnie TV Fig channel, we're doing my WWE videos, AEW videos. DC Marvel. Going to be going to more vlogging trips for the trip today. I'm going to light vest on here. Hope you enjoy. I already did the filming already. Everybody filmed it already. A lot of work and stuff going on for the videotape. Pretty cool stuff we're gonna see. And then we can take the light vest off and see what the water's like. YouTube did Winnie TV Figs, and today we're at the lake or beach, whatever it is, kayaks over there. And sand. I'm not a big fan of sand. The sand gets everywhere. This is what it look like out in this space. Water's pretty hefty. Wearing my Brit shirt for the videotape. According to the video, wearing my Brit shirt. I like Brit. She's cool. I got a kayak. I gotta go over there. Yeah. Cool. I'm gonna take a wander. We gotta go over that building over there. We gotta pay for it. Building over there. Building camera. That building over there. Go to that building over there. Got that filming over there. Got my goggles so good. My eyes are reading in. Like that. The wife. The scenery. Yeah, stuff going down there. Taking a walk out here. Here's the road. The road. Longy road. Nice long walk. Right to the main channel. Right to the main channel. What do you both picture? Main channel. Yeah. Pretty cool. I get one out there and another guy. Right. We got a Coke machine. That's pretty cool. We got the lake there. Pretty cool.
Really?
What?
This is Aunt Debbie's first time too.
No, it's not my first time. I have done it. I've done it once a long time ago. You, me, and Mom.
Turn the paddle the other way.
That's right.
Yeah, like that.
Thank you. Not talk too much.
See how it's shaped like a spoon?
I hate doing this. You help me turn the other way so I don't crash. Please stop. I'm afraid I'm gonna tip over.
How you doing over there? All right.
Earlier when I said I was gonna tip you over, I was only kidding.
I'm a hitchhiker.
I wasn't kidding.
No, I'm doing all the hit full.
I know, I'm trying to. Trying to relax. Shit, we're gonna crash. Whoa, we're gonna crash. Holy cow. Whoa. Can you paddle?
Hold on, I'll take a picture.
Paddle. Can you paddle?
Yeah, hold on.
Paddle.
I'm taking pictures. Hold on.
I don't care. Paddle.
You can paddle. Go ahead.
Can you paddle?
Calm down.
I want to put your phone in the water. Paddle. Like you paddle? Paddle.
I'm putting my phone away, Dylan. Relax.
Paddle. Or it goes in the water. Can you paddle? Dad, what are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? I'm trying to film and vlog at the same time.
Now you want me to-
We'll make a vlog. This vlog will come out this vlog will come out Sunday because I have a vlog for tomorrow. I gotta finish editing it. And then Monday will be one of the parks.
You gotta turn the
Tuesday,
paddle again. Turn it.
the next video will be with the park in Counseling Park.
Turn the paddle, Dylan, so the words are on the paddle are away from you. Turn the paddle.
I know. I'm just never used to
That's
this.
it, like that.
We're gonna crash. Can you turn the boat around, please? Facing that way, please. Come on. Can you help me with this?
You're doing it right.
I promise you, if you don't help me with this, I'll never do this again with you. I want to go all the way out there. At least halfway. That's better. Now we're going the wrong way again. Yeah, can we go this way? Facing that way. Come on, help me.
Right there, hold on.
You stop. I don't say any names. I'm filming a. Dad, stop. Turn the boat around. Stop, you're gonna tip me over.
Hey, you're not gonna tip over.
Dad, if you're gonna say, don't say any names about nobody here. In the vlog, people watching the video, who are you with?
I gotta
Oh,
put
I'm just
lotion on. Hold on.
You're annoying with the pictures. Trying to vlog this trip. Dad, you stop with that? I already did.
You're getting ready.
I already did. I'm gonna vlog this. Travel this. That tonight I'm gonna ask Michael and Uncle Stanley. I'll ask them later if we can wash our clothes. So the shirt I'm wearing, I want to wear it in the park. At least once. I will have that thing for my head for the park. That's for sure. I'm not gonna hold the phone and film the whole time. And you see that notebook I brought?
Yeah.
That's for the park. I bought it last time. And that's a different notebook, and I'm gonna have some of the people sign it.
Oh, okay. What? That's over there.
Is that golf course over there?
Yeah.
It looks like it. Yeah, it is. You know, on a golf course, watching Mick Juggernaut's YouTube channel, and the Juggernaut and Big Brother, and that's when they went to golfing, and were yelling, and said, dude, you're not supposed to say anything. We're not supposed to talk on a golf course. Like a course like that, you can't talk on there. It's the way, it's the rules. Golf course over there. That's a golf course. And you play golf, the game golf.
couple days road to get to the other end.
Oh no, we're gonna crash. Holy crap. Flag for kids. You did that once, and the video got flagged for kids. I mean, they turned the comment section off and they monetized it. It means that only kids, it's not age appropriate. Last time you went on this, thing when we were over there, I had to reload it 3 times, and they took the comment section off, and then they only like it was banned in some countries because the noise that you're made. Couldn't edit it out for some reason. I tried talking over it, and I couldn't. They heard it. There's no need to take a picture of me on this boat, because I already took one. And I think I like the one I took. Last time you took one on a boat, it was quarry. You like it? What'd the guy say? We go around how many times an hour?
I guess all day.
More?
We go all day.
Oh.
We're able to.
You ever afraid you're gonna tip over and fall in the water? Yeah.
Just once before. Wow. Jump around.
Well, your dad can really go.
Yeah.
Like he's going far, fast.
Yeah.
Like I done this like once before a long time ago. Yeah, but not easy.
No, it's not.
You got it down.
I can see that.
Wee. And I asked him, "Do you like it?" Yeah, he's funny. He said, "Oh yeah." shack now.